Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. In today's video, we are going to be operating on radicals. And as you know, radicals are basically terms with the root sign above it, and the root sign represents radical. Most of us call the root sign the square root, which is okay because the 2 is the index for your radical that stands on its own. So right here, we want to operate on these radicals here. So far, they're adding and subtracting, so we can group them by simplifying them, then we get from there. So right here we have 2 times root 72 plus root 128 minus 2 times 40. So right here our goal is to break these down in the simplest term as we can, ensuring we identify the highest perfect square number so we have less work to do. So example 72, 2 factors of 72 can be 9 and 8, right? Here we have 128, so I think that's gonna be 64. Let's see, you all know that I'm gonna plug this in the calculator regardless. Or maybe this could be, let me see, 36 and something. 36 times 2 will give us 72. So this one, even though 9 and 8 can be used, we can use 36 and we can use 2. The 9 and 8 that we just thought about could be, but the 8 can be broken down further, so we will have to do another step if we chose that method. So we will be using the 32 and the 2. So for the 168, I'm going to use 64 and 2 as my 2 factors. For the 40, I'm going to use 8 and 5. Alright? So remember, once you're breaking down, the radical sign goes with each of them. And that's where we're going to be simplifying from. Alright, so root of 36 here gives us 6. Bring the 2 down. Root of 2, you cannot go any further. These 2 are multiplying, so you group them through multiplication. The root of 64 is 8. Root 2 cannot go any further, so that's where we're at. The root of 8. So 8 can be broken down into 2 times 4. So right here we can say 8 is going to be root 2 times root 4, root 5. Right? So right there we can break it down. So 4 would have been 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. We can have root 10 right here. And we're going to bring our 2 down. So negative 2. So negative 2 times negative 2 will give us a negative 2 times a positive 2 will give us a negative 4. So negative 4 root 10. Right here we see that root 10 cannot be broken down because there are no 2 factors. When you multiply them, will give you 10. That's a perfect square number. Excuse me. So here we go. We have 2 times 6 is 12 root 2 plus 8 root 2 minus 4 root 10. These 2 can be simplified because they both have root 2 attached to them. So 8 plus 12 will give us 20. So that's 20 root 2. And since as we have the negative 4 root 10, we can simply write it back. And from here, we cannot go any further because these are considered to be unlike terms. So that's where the question ends. So again, right here, we group these 2 because they had the root 2 attached to them. So it's okay for us to do that. But at this last part, we cannot because those 2 are different radicals, hence they cannot be simplified. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any requests, and I'll be happy to assist you with them. If not, I'll see you on the next video.